Hey scholars, I'm back with another tip on using ChatGPT to support your research. First, you need to inform ChatGPT about your research. I'm writing a literature review, so that's the first thing I type. Next, I provide a comprehensive description of my methodology. For this study, I am using content analysis. I then give detailed information about my participants, ensuring to be as specific as possible. After that, I provide a thorough explanation of what I am analyzing the data for. Lastly, I identify my theoretical frameworks. You can also add information about the purpose of the study and the background of the problem. The more information you provide, the more detailed and accurate the outline will be. ChatGPT will give you a list of headings and subheadings. You'll notice that it will number each heading and give sub-numbers. The numbers represent level 1 headings and the sub-numbers represent level 2 headings. It also provides bullet lists that you can use as a guide regarding the information to include in each section. Of course, as the expert researcher, your expertise will be crucial in refining your review as you progress in your research, but this tool offers a great starting point. If this video was helpful, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and resources to help you on your academic journey.